and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 120th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata. East Timor, second most populous Catholic nation in Asia, gets first Salesian Cardinal. Father Juliano Vieira reports from Delhi.
Salesian Archbishop Virgilio do Carmo da Silva of Delhi became the first Cardinal of East Timor on 27 August 2022. Cardinal-elect da Silva has led the local church of Delhi since 2016 as a bishop. In 2019, he became an archbishop and serves as vice president of the National Bishops' Conference. The population of East Timor, colonized by Portugal, is nearly 96% Catholic and very youthful. Approximately 40% of the population is below the age of 15. Besides the new cardinal from East Timor, other Salesian cardinals of the region include Cardinal Charles Mong Bo of Myanmar and retired Cardinal Joseph Zhang of Hong Kong. That is, 3 out of 10 cardinals of the region are Salesians.
The 5 joyful mysteries of the Rosary narrate events connected with Jesus' birth and growth. The next 5 mysteries of light show the light of God manifested through Jesus. The 5 sorrowful mysteries recount the agony and crucifixion of Jesus. The last 5 mysteries narrate the resurrection of Jesus and the glorification of his mother Mary. The 20 Stations of the Life-Size Rosary Way is an ideal project for Jubilee Year 2025. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945. India Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco elect 5th Superior General Sister Mabel Dhar on 29th August 2022. Abigail Carmelim reports from Shillong.
The Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco, founded by Salesian Archbishop Hubert de Rosario of Shillong in 1983, elected 5th Superior General on 29th August 2022. 5th General Chapter of the Institute, accepted as 30th member of the Salesian family, was held from 20th to 30th August at their Generalate Madonna Convent in Shillong. Sister Mabel Dhar was elected the new Superior General and Sister Cecilia Saad the Vicar General. The councillors are Sister Kashini Auxilia Mao, Sister Ridalin Maulong and Sister Justina Kahid. Sisters are engaged in education and literacy, health and family welfare, rural development and poverty alleviation, besides women's development and empowerment and youth affairs. In almost 40 years of existence, there are 175 sisters spread out in 31 communities in 3 countries.
You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India state-of-the-art training facilities installed for upskilling Kolkata youth. Director of Don Bosco Tech Kolkata, Father Jose Purimatam reports.
Since the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Don Bosco Technical Institute at Park Circus, Kolkata in 2015, a series of bold initiatives have been introduced to make the institute a trendsetter in skill training. Besides upgrading electronics lab, refrigeration lab, computer lab and welding lab, the newly modified electrical lab and the home and industrial automation labs were blessed and inaugurated on 25th August 2022. The major breakthrough has been in the sector of corporate collaboration, starting with Tata Motors in association with Bangalore-based NGO Skills for Progress, which ensures 12 months training and placement. Similar training and placement programs have been initiated with Ford India Private Limited, Mitsubishi Electric, Godrej Electronic System Management, Godrej Infotech, Fager, Panasonic India Private Limited, Skoda Auto Volkswagen India, and Indian Iron and Steel Statistical Council. Established in 1965, Don Bosco Technical Institute, Kolkata is catering to more than 600 students annually.
India Memory of Legendary Salesian brings together 13 football teams. Shannon Noguera reports from Mumbai.
The Don Bosco Youth Services Mumbai hosted the Maschio Cup 2022 football tournament, honoring the memory of Salesian legend Father Aurelius Maschio, who died in 1996. Father Maschio pioneered Salesian works in Mumbai province, including the shrine of Don Bosco's Madonna and Don Bosco High School in Matunga, among others. The teams came from 13 Salesian institutions and played against each other in 4 pools to claim the top 2 spots. An exhibition match played between Salesians, including fathers and brothers, versus youth, gave a breather to qualifying teams. The 4 finalists were Don Bosco Nerul A, Don Bosco Nerul B, Golden Savians and Origin Savians. A nail-biting finals ended with Origin Savians claiming the victory over Golden Savians by a 1-goal margin.
Papua New Guinea Bosco Week concludes with cultural fiesta. Brother Banhun Lindo reports.
Bosco Week, marking Don Bosco's birthday, concluded with cultural dances from 18 provinces by students of Don Bosco's Simbu Technical College. The program commenced at 10 a.m. with colorful display of artistical painted bodies moving with the rhythm of music and dance until 3:30 p.m. Preparations began a month early, with the students coming together according to their provinces or different provinces joining together when the numbers were small. Large crowds of people gathered to witness the occasion and cheer the participants.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.